You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 10. Let's solve it step by step. Swap sides. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by 2x. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Swap sides. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 2/3. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 10.